Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, today's unboxing is directly because of another YouTuber. So if you are familiar at all with the luxury YouTube space, I'm sure you know Mel in Melbourne. This purchase I did specifically because of her. I just want to give her full credit. I did already take off the tape, but yes, we are unboxing something from YSL. So Mel recently made a short, I believe, and she also covered this in an actual like longer YouTube video. But basically she talked about the YSL wallet on chain versus the YSL wristlet. So I'll just tell you that's what this is. This is the YSL wristlet. And yeah, basically what she showed everyone was how to turn the wristlet into a wallet on chain, because the wristlet is $725, at least right now as I film this, I just checked, and the wallet on chain is $1,590, so basically $1,600. So $725 versus roughly $1,600. I was like, this is a no-brainer. And she's shown us how to do this with two different YSL wristlets, but the second one she showed is in this color called Light Sage, which is the color I got. And when I saw it, I was like, I really love the color sage too. Anything that's like gray or sage or mesh, I love. So I'm just gonna unbox this really fast. This is the little envelope, I think, receipt and all that boring stuff. But yeah, so this is the wristlet. I did look at it once when it came in because it got mailed and I wasn't planning on doing the video right away, and just in case something was wrong with it, I wanted to double check really fast. So I opened it when it first came, but I haven't seen it since. Whew. Oh, and like always, I do have a SAMORGA organizer, which is the whole, I mean, that is a really important part of how you transform it. So I feel like it was really important for me to wait until the organizer came with the chain so I could just like show you guys. But yes, here it is. You also get a little like envelope with, I believe it's like a serial number. But did that wrong. This is the wristlet. So this is the wristlet right here, which I will let's just take this off. Oh, I just pull that off. Okay, so this is the wristlet. And this is how you're actually supposed to hold this bag, which is fine. And that's cool. You can definitely use it like this. But actually, let me show you what it looks like and then we'll do our little conversion. So yeah, it's got this like gold hardware. And it's like this pebble grain leather. So really, really durable, which is nice. And then you pop that open. And let's see, on the inside, they just have some tissue paper. And then there is one pocket. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see that. Yeah, you can see it a little bit. But there is one pocket right here. And then just a big space. So, pretty simple bag, really pretty, very classy. I think, oh, this is just gorgeous. I just love this color. And the cool thing about sage is I feel like every brand has a slightly different color sage. So, I don't know, this is just really, really pretty though. Okay, so Mel, in her video, she had this organizer. And I got everything that she got. The only thing that I didn't get exactly, when she showed her video with this color, her organizer, sorry, I'm excited, I can't talk. Her organizer is in the color Cypress. Mine is blue something. I'll list it below in case you like this blue color. But I just thought it was really like a pretty nice pop of color. So I opted for this one. And Cypress is more of like a dark green color, which also would look really pretty. But yeah, so this is the actual organizer. Is that blue not stunning? I know we're going into the fall. I don't feel like this is really that much of a fall color, if I'm being honest. But I don't care. I think it's so pretty. And I felt like it would just go so well with this sage color. So yeah, I'm not sorry I got this. But yeah, it has the little gold little circle hardware things here. And then I actually didn't open this, so let's see. And I've never purchased a chain from SAMORGA. Oh, cool. So they put it in this little like pouch. That's cool, because I'm sure you can reuse this. Okay, so I guess the pouch just kind of, I don't think you can like open it all the way, but I'm just gonna, ooh, this is pretty. Oh, thank goodness, because I've never gotten a chain from them before. I love their organizers, but I don't know. I was just like, I wasn't sure what to expect from the chain. You guys, this is really pretty. And this is like heavy. Like this is heavier than I thought. Okay, so here's the chain. And it does have these little like clips here, so you can clip on to the pouch. I'm so excited. Okay. Also, I don't know if I said this or not, but Mel created this with SAMORGA. So, oh, and I didn't even look. Inside, I got one of these again, which I actually showed you guys this one. This bright like bubblegum Barbie pink I got with my last organizer. And then now I have this one. So these are really nice. You can definitely like keep stuff in here as well. So these are like freebies. But yeah, so Mel created this, I wanna say specifically for this bag. Like she teamed up with SAMORGA to create this. So again, this is what it looks like. And then inside, she does give you like 2 pockets. So that's nice. You definitely have some more organization. So you can use it for here. So how she did this, I guess, so you just put it in here. Actually, you know what? Let's attach the chain first, and then we'll put it in the bag. So I'm just going to try to do this so I can show you guys. Attach that there. Super easy. And then you attach that one here. Okay, and I went ahead and took this little wristlet off. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I attached the chain to the organizer and then just slid the organizer inside. And then you just close it up. And you have your very own wallet on chain. This is so fun because like, obviously I make YouTube videos, but I love watching YouTube. I mean, I'm the same. I love, you know, seeing inspiration and getting ideas. And I'm so excited. This is literally just as stunning as it looked when she did it. Like when she was doing it on her channel, I was like, that is gorgeous. And now that I have it, I'm like, she was so right. So thank you, Mel, because this is such a good idea. I'm so glad that she teamed up with SAMORGA and did this little, you know, collab. And this blue color I think is so pretty. Like I said, the one that she had, the color Cypress, it's like this dark green, super pretty. But I don't know, I feel like I think this color is really versatile. I definitely think this sage color and the gold could be for the fall and winter. But in my head, this is a little bit more of a spring and summer, like clutch / wallet on chain. So I don't know, I feel like I would use this any time of the year, but this color definitely screams like spring summer to me. So I'm excited to use it next spring and summer. But anyways, or like on vacations when you go out to a nice dinner. Anyway, okay, so yeah, that is pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys because yeah, I saw her video and I was just so sold. And I do know I've seen a couple of other that have come into my feed, probably because I've watched her video a couple of times. And so I know that a lot of other people have done this as well. And people usually have different ways of how they convert this wristlet into a wallet on chain. And so it's really cool to see how people get so creative, but I don't know, I think her way is my favorite just because the organizer was made specifically for it and it has those little, you know, the little hardware pieces right here. It just makes it so easy, and then you don't have to like wrap anything around, or I don't know. I just feel like it's less stress on the bag. So yeah, super happy with this. But yeah, that's all. Just wanted to do a quick little unboxing. If you guys have any questions or anything that I didn't show, I tried to show like everything, definitely let me know. And if you want to get it, I highly recommend, now having done it myself, highly recommend you doing it. And it was so funny when I watched her most recent video, the short that she did, somebody in the comments was like, you guys keep doing this and they're gonna, YSL is gonna, you know, take this off the market, or they're gonna, you know, charge more for it. And I was like, that person's probably not wrong. So yeah, if this is something that you'd be interested in, I would definitely do it sooner rather than later. Even if YSL doesn't take this away, you know, these brands, they always have price increases, and right now it's only $7.25. And so I just feel like it's a really, really good deal. So yeah, anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.